Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, today I'm really excited to show you, this is actually very unique, beautiful content of a wonderful place called One Park Place. This is in downtown Houston. This is a luxury high-rise residences with penthouses, and we are gonna see a penthouse in a minute. But these are really unique styling floor plans. This is a building it's been around for a bit, and it is incredible. It's a great design. It looks amazing, and it's just got some really unique qualities. I think you're going to like it. Also, being able to see the video, the One Park Place doesn't really allow most folks to film it, but they allowed us to do it. We're so grateful, and we wanted to really show off this beautiful place. So this is the Cedar floor plan. This is the living room area. It's really delightful. It's got some beautiful, unique. Now this is real wood floors, real wood. Great entertaining kitchen area here with all the appliances you need. Just beautiful. Really nice, kind of stylish, different feel in here with this huge island, and it's slanted, so it's a beautiful feel. I like all the curves here of the ceilings, and this is just some really unique designs. So tell me what you think about this. Do you like this? If you like it and it's got your name on it and your feel, give me a text. Just shoot me a text on the number below. I'll get you more information about this very exclusive residence at the One Park Place, the beautiful high rise that you're gonna love. So the numbers below, go ahead and send me a text, and we'll start chatting. Can't wait to help you with the One Park Place.